This video, there's a work order for a toilet that is not or is flushing continuously. So whatever it is, we'll take a look at it and get it fixed up.
Just use my fingernail. Oh, look at that. I see a bunch of debris in there. Can you see that? So this is the flush body. This is the lower part. It looks like looks like a rock to me. See that? I'm gonna flush this all out. Oh, it looks like looks like there's more junk there. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down and clean that out. I need 2 hands. Okay, that was too funny. I asked for tweezers and I guess the inventory and stuff like that. She comes out with a pair of needle nose pliers, which I have in my truck. I just didn't want to go to my truck. Anywho, let's see if these are small enough to get it out. And I don't know why I can't turn on my flashlight with my camera on. That's interesting. So I'm gonna go fishing for this thing. I think it might work. Oh, look at that. I got it on the first try. I could not tell you what that is. It looks like a rock to me. And how it gets in the plumbing, who knows? I don't care. I just want everything, all the debris out of there. I usually see something much smaller, maybe 100 times smaller. You know, just dirt and grum, not chunks of stuff. All right, there was another piece over here. Dang. Got them both with my left hand too, and I'm right-handed. Right in the beginning. Come on, can you focus? Not really. I'll set it down. There we go. Yep, never pulled rocks out of something like that before. It's crazy. You never know what you walk into. All right, now what I want to do is just rinse this out. So I am just gonna get a little bit of flow of water. Like that. Enough so it doesn't drop on the floor. There we go. That's all right. Let's do that again. There we go. Let's do it again. All right, let's see if that's good enough rinse. I don't see any other rocks or whatever debris in there to clog it up. Let's go ahead and drop our diaphragm back in. And for those who have never seen it, so when you push the flush handle. It should hit the rod on this flush rod. See how it lifts up? And that's enough to start the flush. Because now the pressure on the below is higher than the pressure is on the top. Okay. Let's get the inner cover. Whatever I did with it. There it is. Outer cover. Get it hand tight. And go another quarter turn. Dry it off. Let's dry it off. I know if it's leaking or not. Alright, turn the water back on. Again, turn on the control stop. Sometimes it takes a while to fill up the first time. Let's see how it functions. That's it. One more time. We good. That was interesting. If you like the video, please give me a like. I'll see you on the next one.